Welcome to Test Automation Solutions. Today, I'm going to show you how to install robot framework on Windows 10. So I'm going to cover download and install Python and pip, and then we install robot framework and Selenium library through pip, and then we verify the installations using Windows command prompt. So let us start with download and install Python and pip. So please click on this link so that it will take you to the robot framework installation page on my blog. So here the first step is to install Python before installing the robot framework, and which is mandatory. So I'm clicking on python.org to install Python. Okay, the Python latest version in Python 3 is Python 3.7.3. Click on download Python. So your Python is downloaded here. Open the downloaded Python, right click on it, and install as administrator. Click yes, and make sure that you should check add Python 3.7 to path, so that you don't need to manually add Python path to environment variables. And then click install now. This might take a couple of minutes. Please bear with me. Whenever you install Python, pip is also get installed automatically. So you could see here setup was successful, which means that Python and pip is successfully installed. Let me close this window. Let me go to command prompt to verify whether Python is installed successfully or not. Type Python dash V in uppercase. You can see that Python is successfully installed. The version is 3.7.3. Now let's go back to the blog. Okay, we have successfully completed the step install Python and pip. And then we go to step number 2, install robot framework and Selenium library through pip. Since pip is already been installed, so let us install robot framework, for which we need to use pip install robot framework command in the command prompt. Click enter. this might take a while to get your robot framework installed. So now it is saying that robot framework is already been installed. Let me verify using piplist command to see whether it is been installed or not. Yes, it is showing robot framework already been installed. Let me uninstall and then install to show you how does this installation work. For which you need to use pip uninstall robot framework command. Click enter and say yes. Click enter. Now you can see that successfully uninstall robot framework, and then let us verify to ensure that this has been uninstalled. Piplist. See, now you cannot see robot framework anymore. Let us use the pip install command to install robot framework again. Okay, cool. Now you could notice that the robot framework 3.1.1 is successfully installed. Let me go to pip list to verify whether it is installed or not. Yes, it is being installed. Now let us go back to the blog and see what is the next step. So install Selenium library. So you should use this command to install Selenium library. So let me go back to command prompt and paste it here. So let me just verify, the pip list to see whether Selenium library installed or not. If you look at here, Selenium library is already been installed, so I'm not installing again. So you just need to use pip install robot framework Selenium library, click enter, so that Selenium library will get automatically installed. So now we are completed step number 2, installing robot framework and Selenium library. Let us go back to our presentation and see what we have finished so far. We have downloaded and installed Python and pip, and then we have installed robot framework and Selenium library through pip. And next step is to verify Win installations. Let's go here, verify whether Python is installed or not. Type Python. Yes, Python is successfully installed. And then type pip list. And we have robot framework and robot framework Selenium library are successfully installed. And please refer my blog testautomationsolutions.com for robot framework, Selenium, UFT, and API web services and Jenkins tutorials. Thank you.